Hi, I'm Jim Morris, CTO at T1V, and I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of our instructor station and student station capabilities when used in a traditional classroom setting. So for example, I'm the instructor. I can come in, I can plug my laptop into a hardline input, HDMI input, and USB connection. And when I do that, I can pull that up on the instructor station right here. This is a Windows computer. This one's plugged in already. But when it's plugged in, I can click here on the screen and actually touch and control it here from the touch screen. Additionally, I could also bring my laptop in and connect it wirelessly by using our app, which I've done here. And then this, I can pull that up on the screen, and this is a wireless connection. So you have both options available to the instructor. And what I'm showing here now is I'm using my laptop using our ThinkHub Cloud. I have a canvas pulled up here that I want to show the entire class. So on this student station, group number 1, there's students connected here. And on this station, group number 2, there's students over here. But while they're looking at their content and collaborating, I can decide, hey, I want to take what I'm showing and I want to push that to all the student stations and override what they're seeing. So I just hit this cast button, it sends it right up there. And now everything that I'm doing here is going to be live for the instructor station and the student stations. And then I can just easily turn that off by hitting this button, turning it off, and they're back looking at their own content. The other option I have as the instructor is I can take content and push it to a display in the room. There's this button here, which we call the dock button. And so it takes that content and sends it to a dock. I could send any piece of content, this or the entire canvas by hitting this button here, which is showing there, or I can take just this window and put it up there. So these are the capabilities that we have with the instructor station when used in a traditional classroom experience. To learn more, visit our website at t1v.com.